In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate a board in Miro. This is a simple yet powerful action, helpful for when you want to work on different versions of a project or use the same layout for multiple purposes without starting from scratch. Let's walk through the steps together. To begin, ensure you're logged into your Miro account and looking at your dashboard where all your boards are displayed. First, direct your attention to the main menu on your Miro interface. The main menu is typically found on the left-hand side of your screen, denoted by 3 horizontal lines or a similar icon, which when clicked reveals a series of options related to your boards and account settings. Once you've clicked on the main menu, you'll need to find and select the board that you want to duplicate. The option might be labeled simply as Board, or it could be showcased as a thumbnail image of your existing board. Clicking on this option will bring up additional functionalities specific to that board. Now, look for the option to duplicate the board. This can often be found nestled among other management options like renaming or deleting the board. The duplicate feature is your go-to choice here. Selecting Duplicate is the command that tells Miro you want to make an exact copy of the board in its current state. After selecting Duplicate, a confirmation window or menu appears where you need to confirm your choice to duplicate board. This step serves as a safeguard, ensuring you really intend to create a copy. Clicking Duplicate Board sends the command through, and Miro begins creating a carbon copy of your board. Your new board copy will appear in the list of your boards, often right next to the original or under a section like ACE Recent Boards for easy access. It's a good habit to rename this duplicated board immediately. This way, you avoid any confusion between the original and the duplicate, especially if you're working on multiple projects at once. And there you have it. A process that allows you to quickly and efficiently create a new board from an existing one. This straightforward process is a fantastic way to maintain consistency across projects or simply test out new ideas without altering the original content. Remember, using Miro's duplicate feature can significantly streamline your workflow, saving you both time and effort as you manage your projects. Don't forget to explore other features Miro offers to optimize your productivity further. If you have any questions or run into any issues, the help section within Miro or their support team can be invaluable resources. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this helps make your board management in Miro smooth and efficient.